5 fascinating facts about Germany that will surprise you. 1. Germany is home to over 1,500 different types of beer, celebrated during Oktoberfest each year. 2. The Autobahn is famous for having stretches with no speed limit, attracting thrill-seekers worldwide. 3. Germany has a rich history of castles, with over 20,000 scattered throughout the country. 4. The Christmas tradition of Advent calendars originated in Germany, spreading joy during the holiday season. 5. Germany boasts the world's largest science and technology museum, the Deutsches Museum in Munich. Subscribe for more intriguing insights about different cultures.